In this episode, I'm going to be walking you through the Matcha platform, which is a decentralized exchange, otherwise known as a DEX, where you can trade different cryptocurrencies from your private wallet. Now, to start things out here, this is very similar to things like Uniswap and SushiSwap, so if you know how to use those, you will have a good understanding of how to use this one. But if you don't, no worries. We're going to be walking through this today. So when you first load in to Matcha, this is the front page that you're going to be getting at. And first things first, we have to go ahead to the top right and make sure that we actually connect our wallet. Now, once your wallet is connected, I'm just using MetaMask. It'll prompt you to connect to your MetaMask. But once you are loaded in, you're going to make sure that, first of all, you're in the right wallet. And once you have confirmed that, you're going to see a little screen like this where we can view all of our base information. Now, getting right into the trading, all we have to do is click on the front page where it says Start Trading. And it's going to bring us to a page like this one. Now from here I can say, okay, I'm going to be paying in Ethereum to receive something else. And if I want to swap that, I can. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to be saying, okay, I'm going to be market buying. And for the sake of this video, we'll use something like Gala. So from here, it might ask you to affirm just, whatever kind of risk there is. And from this point on, all we have to do is say, okay, well, now I'm exchanging my Ethereum that I already have in my MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet provider you're using. And all we have to do is say, okay, in this case, I'm going to trade 1 Ethereum. And my hopes here is that I would like to receive the X amount of Gala back at whatever the current market price is. And so it's going to tell me that for this 1 Ethereum, I'm going to be receiving around 14,751 Gala, where I can now review this order, look at my network fee, and then execute the order at will. Now, I don't have a complete Ethereum in this MetaMask wallet, so it's going to prompt me and say, hey, it's going to highlight this guy and say, hey, you don't actually have this much, hence why we can't click on the order option. But this is how you would do it. And if you'd like to find another cryptocurrency that is on here, all you have to really do is type it. Like, let's just type Maker, and Maker will come up. It's going to be very similar to this process. So Maker is going to come up right here as well, and so on and so forth. Now, it may even prompt you to find a specific token address. And if it's doing that, as we discussed, and as we will discuss in one of our other videos, all you have to do is go to a website like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap and search for these tokens, and at the front page of that search bar, let's just use Gala as the example. If we search for Gala and click on it on CoinGecko from our search bar, in the top right over here, we're going to have this contract address. All I have to do is click copy, and now I will have the contract address if I should ever need it. So again, you won't need this for many cryptocurrencies. The only time that you will need a contract address is if you're really searching for something that's lower on the market cap side. Maybe it's a crypto that's brand new. And if it should ever prompt you to do that, now you know where to find it. Again, other platforms like SushiSwap or maybe even Uniswap will prompt you to do this for very unknown markets or unknown cryptos that are not quite as mainstream. And for those, you can simply just paste it in the top bar up here, and immediately the token that you're searching for will come right up. Now, we just copied the Gala contract address, hence why Gala is the only option that is forming at the top, and all we have to do is click on it. So that's going to be the Matcha walkthrough. This is how you use a decentralized exchange from your private wallet. This way you can cut out the middleman and you don't have to have a centralized broker that is connecting these orders together. And you can really just do this yourself at the price of a little bit of a gas fee.